When it comes to making money, a lot of people will say they are looking for ways to make money. They would like to, have something to do. They are looking for businesses to do. But when you tell them list of businesses they can do to earn them some money, they are so lazy to do it. They don't take it seriously. They don't even try to put in the work. They don't try to put in the time. But in today's video, I am here for people who are ready to make money, people who are ready to put in the work to make money, people who are ready to not be shy to make money. Because do you know what the economy is saying right now? Sometimes you tell some people about some businesses for them to do that will earn them money, that is profitable. They will say, "Oh, I'm shy." You are shy. You are not ready to make money. In today's video, I'll be talking about some businesses you can start. If you're serious to starting a business, but you don't know what business you want to start, I'm going to be telling you some businesses you can start. You can start from home, but if you have huge capital, you can get a space for yourself and start from there. The first business I would like to talk about is thrift business. We'll talk about thrift business, number one, because the economy is getting really tough, but at the same time, people still want to look nice, especially ladies, especially mothers. They want to make their babies, their children look nice. So they are looking for affordable clothing that is quality, that can cater for their needs. Okay, so thrift is the number one business that is profitable if you're serious. If you're serious to do thrift business, you are going to get profit. You are going to make profit, especially if you put in the work. Okay, yeah, you might be wondering, okay, so where do I buy thrift from? Should I go travel all the way to Benin Republic to buy? You don't have to travel far, especially if you're living in Lagos, Nigeria. Now, there are a couple of places you can go and buy thrifts. Another type of business you can start with. This one is so easy to start that you can start from your home. And what business am I talking about? I'm talking about plantain chips business. Plantain chips business is another very profitable, lucrative business if you are ready to put in the work. You go to a market where you can buy in bulk plantain. You buy plantain in bulk. Now you can sell ripe plantain. You can sell ripe plantain chips. You can sell unripe plantain chips, right? Buy your packaging. Go to the market, buy your packaging. Get sealing machine to package your plantain chips and seal. You will, of course, when you start this business, you're not going to sit in the house and expect customers to come and meet you in the house. It's not going to happen. You will have to go to supermarkets, go to all these stores where they sell these things and market your products to them. If your plantain chips is nice, they start patronizing you, they start telling you to supply. That is a good way to start. Right? So plantain chips business is also a very easy to start business, especially in terms of capital. It's not very capital intensive. Another type of business you can start is spices business. You can buy spices and package them, just like plantain chips business. You can package them in containers, seal them, and supply to stores and supermarkets. If you want to be blending them, you can buy a machine and blend, these spices and package. Of course, for you to start all this business I'm listing out in this video, you are also going to go and make your own research and study about these businesses and know what the business you want to start entails. So, number three, spices business is another lucrative business. People are looking for, in fact, people abroad are buying spices from Nigeria. People are shipping spices, palm oil, organic spices. People are shipping it out of Nigeria. I'm not saying you can just start shipping. You have to start somewhere. You have to start from where you are first. If you're interested in starting this type of business, then you have to study and know what this business entails. That is number three, spices business. Another type of business I would like to talk about is kitchen utensils business. If you have the capital to get a space for yourself, you can go to the market and buy your inventory and buy the merchandise you want to sell. Kitchen utensils never goes out of style, never goes out of season. Every time of the year, people are buying kitchen utensils. You can even, mix it with baby toys. You can mix it with baby learning tools. That is also a very lucrative business you can start. You can find out the best market to go to and buy these things and sell. Another type of business you can start is being a personal shopper. A lot of people are busy. A lot of people are busy. They cannot finish work and start heading to the market and start doing all these things. A lot of people are so busy. They are looking for people to shop for them. I know a lady that I buy from. She shops for people twice in a week. She shops Wednesdays and Saturdays. Like everything, she sends out a list and say, okay, we have delivery for so tomorrow. Send in your order. So you send her the list of the things you will want to buy, and then she calculates and you pay. And you'll be in your house, your order, what you ordered for, what you asked her to buy for you, will land at your doorstep. Take, for instance, you have like 10 or 20 people you are shopping for every week or twice a week. That is money. Now, this one, you don't need any capital. Being a personal shopper, you don't need any capital. The only thing you have to do in this type of business is show up. You don't need any sort of capital for this. If it's my 12 deliveries you can go to my 12 and buy. A lot of people are buying pepper, tatashe, onion in bulk. You can buy for them and use delivery and deliver to them. If it's Oyigbo market is where you buy foodstuff item for soup, like crayfish, egusi, ogbono, stockfish, dry fish, all those type of soup making ingredients. That is where you buy from. You buy from Oyigbo market. So you yourself, you are going to choose. Do you want to be doing my 12 delivery or you want to be doing Oyigbo market? It depends on you. You shop for people every week and then you make your money without investing your own money in it. That is a good one. If you have the strength, you can even employ other people to, help you alongside you, do the job, do the work. And you shop for people every week or twice every week. The last but not the least business idea is food. People must eat, no matter what the situation is. People must eat. Now, this food business, I'm not saying go and open a restaurant because, of course, opening a restaurant is very tedious, is very capital intensive, is a lot of things. But I'm saying food business in a small scale, at least for a start. If you look around you, there are so many offices that their number one problem is food. They don't have anything to eat for lunch or breakfast. There are so many people that their biggest challenge is what to eat when they get to work. Look around you, look at the offices around you. Make something and take to them and say, oh, I make this, I make this. You can try for free. I make this, I make this, I make this, I make this. If you want, I can be supplying you breakfast and lunch every day. So you have a menu for breakfast and lunch Monday through to Friday. So on Sunday or Saturday, you will send out your menu for the week and they will pick out what they want for breakfast and for lunch. And all you need to do is make this breakfast and lunch and supply to them every day of the week. Now they are sorted for food. Like 50% of their problem is solved. So you see, in business, how do you make money? You look for people's needs. You look for what they need, and then you solve the problem. You solve by providing a solution. I hope this video helps you. If you're trying to start up a business, you are a mom, you are a student, you are a man, you whoever you are, you're looking to start a business. I hope these businesses I've listed in this video will help you. And if you want me to elaborate on any of the business I listed, where you can get the materials, where you can get anything, if you want me to elaborate on any of the businesses I mentioned in this video, just tell me in the comment section to elaborate on one or two or more, and then I'll pick them one after the other and do an extensive video on each of them. I hope this video helps you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification icon for any time I post videos like this, so you will be first to know. Till I see you in my next video, my name is Gloria. I'll catch you in the next one.